We're going on a road trip! I don't know if you can hear that, but that is my boyfriend singing in the shower. Okay, now he stopped. So I kind of look like a wet poodle. I just blow dried my hair and it's so... There's so much volume. Good morning vlog. Okay, so it's the next day. I initially wanted to film the drive, but it was already late already dark when we left. So we left way later than we anticipated. Anyways, we got here in the evening and then we cooked and watched a movie and that was it for the night yesterday. We just woke up, are about to eat breakfast and then we will go out for a walk with Luna. It's beautiful. Wait, let me show you. I mean, the snow, the mountains. I feel like this is my go-to winter sport hairstyle because when I have them, like when I leave them open, not a good idea, like 1,000 knots afterwards, and every other hairstyle is not comfortable, so this is really the only one you can do when you have long hair. So hard to find. Cannot open the door. Worst case, we have to jump over that fence. Just passing through, just passing time. If I make this yours and you make it mine, well then we'll see with golden eyes. I think we broke it. We made it though. Okay, fun fact, I have these winter clothes ever since I was like 16 or something, so like 8 years. We made an attempt to buy new ones last year, but that didn't work out well. I'm exhausted. Okay, so we gotta go up there, making our own lanes, traces. How do you say that? I don't know. And that is the exhausting part, honestly. Like, I'm not the endurance kind of girl. Like, sign me up for a fucking sprint, but I'm not gonna do a marathon. Like, that's not gonna. What are you? Stop it! Okay, you wanna fight?
What is still one for?
Pray for life without pain. Pray for life without words. Stretch of things that are put out of reach. What's the last thing that you think about before you fall asleep? The truth is hard to find, but mostly 'cause we lie. Versions of ourselves that we cannot define.
Okay, so my grandma bakes the most incredible vegan Christmas cookies of all time. So she brought us a box of them and like there's only, I don't know, a couple of them left. So I thought that I would bake like my favorites, which are like these ones, like a hazelnut cookie situation going on. Anyways, I thought I would probably bake them before Christmas because they're so freaking good. And my grandma always bakes a ton, but we also have a big family and she spends so many hours in the kitchen. So I definitely don't want to ask her to bake for me. So I think of baking them myself. What do you think, babe? Should I? Yeah? Okay. Thumbs are up. Good. Well, probably I'm gonna take on that challenge. But now, enjoying the last Christmas cookies. It's beautiful. Oh my god. How cute is this? I mean, can we talk about how bad they look? Think their time has come. Think I have to say goodbye this year.
Circles up and down between the
Okay, so we're currently looking for a way down because we don't want to walk the same way back because that's kind of boring. I'm so out of breath. Like walking in deep snow without snowshoes is freaking tiring. Ooh, that looks promising. Editing me here. Okay, so full disclosure because I think it got a little confusing. We had no idea where we were going. We just saw that one way and we were like, well, that looks great. Let's go in that direction until we realized, okay, so we either turn around now and go back the same way we came from, or we find ourselves a different path to go down. So that's what we did because turning around is boring. Luna, come. Okay, this is so creepy. Like, why is the window open? Okay, so I think we're going through a backyard right now because there's a pool. Like, oh my god, oh my god. Oh. And we found a street, ladies and gentlemen. We did it. I mean, apart from the backyard inconvenience, it's all good. So this is where we are at right now. And we have to go all the way here up to this house. Oh my god, I can't. And here I was thinking I'd bring my yoga mat because I wanted to do some yoga and work out, and not realizing that walking through the snow would actually be this exhausting. And the funny thing is that every single time we go on winter vacation, I bring my workout gear and never ever worked out. Okay, so we're back, we're showered, we made food, and I'm gonna show you that in a sec because it looks so freaking delish. So we made cauliflower wings with a cashew dip, I think. And I cannot wait. Oh my god, I mean, look at that. Look at that. Nice. Good morning vlog. So we had a super lazy start in the day. It is super freaking windy out there and snowing and not very pleasant. So we actually procrastinated going out. We played cards this morning. We also just had breakfast and now we are packing because after our why can't I talk anymore? After our walk, we will drive home, and yeah, that's about it. We have to figure that out. Why? Luna, please. Stop whining. And the dog is very excited. We made it. We made it. I mean, at least we have the shoes on. That was a fucking disaster. I'm already sweating.
If alive without words, stretch of things that I put out of reach. What's the last thing that you think about before
on a scale of 1 to 10? Scale of exhaustion.
4.
4. Solid. It is freaking windy right now. We're somewhere where it isn't as bad as it was before. I don't know if you can see in the videos before, but like the wind was like extreme. How beautiful. We are surrounded by trees in the middle of freaking nowhere. So beautiful. Exhausted. Uh-huh. Oh no! I totally forgot to end the vlog. I'm still working on that, you know. This vlog was totally different from the first one. Like, let me know in the comments down below. Do you like the vlogs where I talk a lot, or are you team chill, no non-talking, relaxed kind of style? I love both, actually. I really do. So I'm up for anything. I think I'm gonna mix it up in the future. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you want to support my channel, if you want to support me, if you want to support my content, subscribe, like the video. Oh my gosh, I sound like a legit YouTuber. That's it for today. Okay, bye!